Hi there, welcome to Imran kitchen, and today I am going to make the Peshawari style Karahi Kabab with chicken one. So now before I start cooking, I like to say everybody happy Eid. Thank you. So this is 1 kg red meat, chicken red meat. I use chicken red meat today because chicken breast is different taste. If you make with the red meat, it will be different taste. So I like to today I'll eat this one, that's why I'm using red meat. So this is 1 kg keema, and this is 1 inch ginger fine chop, and 2 green chili fine slice, and 3 clove garlic fine chop, and also we'll put the 1 teaspoon salt as taste, and also 1 teaspoon coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon cumin powder, and 1 teaspoon red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon paprika, this is for only color, and also half teaspoon garam masala, and also this is half onion fine chop, very fine chop. If you can do that, that will be great. If you cannot do that, you can use the food processor and fine grind it. Then after that squeeze some water from the onion. So I just cut it with the hand. So now time to mix it. So mixing is ready. Now we have to keep it in the freeze for the next 30 minutes. If you think it's too soft, you can keep it in the freeze. Otherwise, you can keep it outside like this and give them at least 30-minute rest. So now we are making the kebab. We are making little bit smaller size because we are making Karahi kebab later, so you don't need too big size. If it's big size, still you need to cut it. So you need little bit water, cold water for it. Soak it in the water. Just easy to binding. So I'll not keep it like this. I will start cooking right away when I'm making like this. So now we'll make little bit smaller than other one because I have to cut it again. So chicken keema is very delicate and very sensitive and very soft. So you need to cook like when you flip it, use 2 ladles. I can use my hand, I have no problem. You can use spatula. So you don't have to cook completely like 100%. If it is 80% cooked, no problem, because later we have to make the karahi, then it will be cooked automatically in the karahi. You don't have to worry. If you think your keema is very soft or you cannot bind it, you can use little bit breadcrumbs and it will help you, because if there is moisture, it will be reduce the moisture and easy to bind it. Or you can cover it, it will be cooked fast, easily. So sometimes what happens, if it's too thick, you cannot, it's not cooked like inside this side, so you have to flip it like this. So now we are making kadai masala. So this is 1 kg tomato and already fine sliced. So this is 1/4 cup of oil. We need little extra oil. So now temperature is ready. Now I have to put the tomato. Now I have to increase the flame medium high. You need to cook until it becomes soft. So now right now I'll add the half teaspoon salt. So tomato is cooking, still is cooking. So now meantime I will cut the kebab. Kebab you need to cut in up to you how big you want. I will cut it like this size. The sauce is almost ready. It's already soft and juicy. Now we'll put the this is ½ inch ginger slice, and also we'll put some fresh green chili as much you like. If you want it too hot, this is six chili. So now we'll put the kebab. So you need to cook another 5 minutes kebab. So now I have to finalize the Karahi kebab. So we'll put some cilantro. It's ready. I have to turn off the gas, and hopefully you enjoy this recipe. If you like it, please subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Appreciate.